How to use Trust and Will online guardianship properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most parents assume setting up guardianship through Trust and Will is simple, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to legal challenges, family disputes, or incomplete protection for their children. The first mistake is not naming backup guardians. Trust and Will allows primary and secondary guardians, but beginners who skip backups risk leaving no plan if the first choice is unavailable. Another common error is not considering the child's needs. Guardianship instructions should cover education, healthcare, and lifestyle. Beginners who provide vague guidance may create confusion or conflict. Many users also fail to update documents regularly. Life changes like relocation, divorce, or new family members can affect guardianship. Beginners who neglect updates risk outdated or unenforceable plans. Ignoring state-specific requirements is another pitfall. Guardianship laws differ, and Trust and Will must comply with local regulations. Beginners who assume a generic form is sufficient may face legal hurdles. Finally, some people assume online setup removes the need for legal review. While Trust and Will simplifies the process, consulting an attorney ensures compliance and thorough planning. To use Trust and Will online guardianship properly, name backup guardians, provide clear guidance for your child's needs, update documents regularly, follow state requirements, and seek legal review when necessary. Avoid these mistakes, and your guardianship plan will offer security and peace of mind.